So here I am at the DJI store of Bangkok at MBK Center. So I'm going to purchase a drone for the first time in my life, and I'll purchase this DJI MINI 3. Here is the drone. So this is the drone, actually MINI 3, along with this RC remote. So price is coming 28,900 with combo, with additional batteries and bag and propellers. And yes, there'll be a VAT refund of 5%, and which I will get at the airport. So finally I bought this drone, DJI MINI 3. I made the payment. So here I'm going to unbox the drone before I leave the store.
Application for account.
No.
No application.
Oh, application is required. And to
DJI file.
okay.
You must download now. For test.
All right. Okay. I need to download the applications to open the account. So I'm going to get the VAT refund. So here's the VAT refund for tourists. So here VAT refund will be given in Thai baht only. So that means just collect the amount and exchange in your country again. Here I paid 1900 something as VAT, but I'll get refund only 1500 baht. So finally I'm here at this field to start my video, the drone. So this is my new DJI MINI 3 along with this propeller case, and I hope I'll be able to fly properly. So let's try. I'm trying to open it. So this is gonna be my first flight on this mini drone. Let's start. So I can show you how it looks. Flying above us.